This is Waldport, Oregon, currently at the confluence of the Alsea River and the Pacific Ocean. This is the river. Bridge going over the river, single arch. Low tide, you can see the sandbar in the middle. And there's the confluence with the Pacific Ocean. Current temperature 51 degrees, June 6, 2026. Short video, just looking at the confluence. A lot of driftwood in the background there. Oh, let me go in. You can see the entire beach is filled with driftwood. The waves of the ocean. And all right, traveling with Rick, signing out. Hope you can give it a thumbs up if you like it. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you.